Fertilization and Development.
Before an egg can actually be fertilized by a sperm, it must first leave the ovary and go to the fallopian tube. The process is known as ovulation.
Fertilization is when sperm and egg combine and occurs in the oviduct, otherwise known as the fallopian tube.
Here you see sperm swimming to one egg. Notice how much larger an egg is in comparison to sperm cells.
Implantation is the stage of pregnancy at which the fertilized egg adheres or attaches to the wall of the uterus.
This picture displays fertilization taking place in the fallopian tube. As you can see, the fertilized egg starts to divide and then travels through the tube to the uterus where it implants.
Do you know how twins, triplets, or quads develop?
Multiple births can occur if more than one sperm fertilizes more than one egg. Those would be considered fraternal twins. Identical twins is when one egg splits with the same DNA.
Once implanted, the embryo begins development. Length of development is normally 40 weeks.
As development continues, the embryo, now referred to as a fetus, grows inside the uterus, and we see the structures that help it survive.
Amniotic sac is the sac or bag-like structure that is filled with liquid and protects the embryo. The placenta is the organ that forms during pregnancy and helps to exchange oxygen, food, and waste between the mother and the baby. The umbilical cord is the cord that forms and connects the embryo to the placenta.
In this diagram, we see an enlargement of the area where the placenta attaches to the blood vessels that make up the umbilical cord. Imagine that in just 40 weeks, we went from just a ball of cells to an actual human organism. Reproduction is wonderful.
Hope you learned a bit more about human fertilization and development.